Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually change your fonts on Shopify. Shopify.com is a global commerce platform, guys, where you can build your business with Shopify to sell online, offline, and everywhere in between, and discover why millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify to build their business. With availability in 170 countries and a total US e-commerce of 10% work that's being done, and a global economic activity of $444 billion from creators, developers, partners, plus an enterprise, that you can create your store the way you want it and bring your vision to life with your simple drag and drop store creator. There's no coding expertise required at all, just your next big idea. You can select from customizable templates that are created by a community of world-class designers and add more features and functionalities to your online stores with the apps built by trusted Shopify developers. You can sell to every buyer everywhere. You can sell online, in person, and around the world with the marketing tools, social integration, sales channels that you need to get your product in front of customers. And obviously the best converting checkout on the planet to back your business with ShopPay, the one-click checkout that's built to convert. And more than that, a point-of-sale system that allows customers to shop their way from online to the checkout line. You can find the new shoppers with the SEO, social media, content marketing tools that help you reach customers where they are, and build custom email campaigns to set automation to serve every segment, and connect with customers on the go with the integrated messaging tools. And obviously, once you combine all those elements together, you can streamline your back office, you can oversee your operations, you can fulfill every order, and you can manage your money where you make it. And the reason why we are making these videos is to give you guys an opportunity to be able to select the right methodology, implement the correct strategy to scale your business and achieve the financial freedom that you've always been dreaming about, so you could break away from the 9 to 5 and be able to become financially free and create passive income for yourself by using Shopify.com the right way. If you don't have an account, guys, don't worry. Click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days, or simply just click on start the free trial and start working. And once you log in, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. We're going to check out the trial in a second, but before we do that, on the left hand side you're going to have your home, your orders, your products, your customers, your analytics, your marketing, and your discounts. When you click on orders, you can see the draft and the abandoned checkouts. If you click on products, you can see your inventories, your transfer, collections, and gift cards. And obviously with customers, you can import customers from anywhere around the world. And especially if you have multiple stores on different platforms, you can get them to your Shopify account to ensure that you never lose any customers that you get. With the analytics available, you have the reports and the live views as well, and the marketing, which is my personal favorite. You have your campaigns and automation. Your discounts can be able to be created as well, and you have your online store from themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and preferences. Now, the thing that we're going to look at today, which is very crucial, is the themes and the fonts inside of those themes. Now, right now, there's no theme available, but we want to use a theme. Now, there's chances for you to use paid themes and free themes. Now, what we're going to do is look at all the themes that are available. Once you click on view more themes, you'll be taken to the next page. On this page, you're going to have an option of actually getting free themes, which are 11, and paid themes, which are 105. Now, I personally believe that you can always start off with the free one, and once you start earning and making money, you can always go for a paid one. Now, if you scroll down, you can see all the different themes that are available, and you got to make sure that you select a theme that really reflects the sort of business and the items and the products that you're planning to sell. So make sure that you do your research before you select any theme to actually sell. So let's go ahead and select one theme and see how we can actually change the fonts for it and how we can add more fonts. So let's go with this theme over here, which is completely free. Once we click on it, we'll get a complete breakdown of what is included in this particular theme. We'll be able to see the sleek and sportive centric designs, the innovative and flexible layouts, and the advanced customization options that are available. You have your features, which are the new standard customizability and speed, and exactly what is included is given to us over here as well, from marketing and conversion to merchandising, from product discovery, and exactly exactly how we can actually use this particular theme in our favor. You have your features, you have your reviews, and you have your support and your documentation. Now, once you want to use this, just click on try the free theme and it will take you to the next page where it will start downloading the theme. But before we do that, we have to choose the account that we want to actually get it on. We'll choose this account that we have on our Gmail, that we used our Gmail to create, and then we'll click on add the theme. And now as we add the theme, what is going to happen, that is going to automatically online load all the elements that are available, and it's going to add this particular theme to our Shopify account. Now, once it's being added, what we can do is think about how we want it to look. Now, as we see over here, this is the theme that is being available over here, and this is being added to our store. Now, one of the major factors which a lot of people don't seem to understand is the fact that you can also preview the theme and see the theme how it truly is. And for that, you have to select a few versions over here, which I'm going to show you, and then we can start customizing it the way we want. Now this theme has been added. Once we click on the three dots over here, we can actually preview the actual theme that has been added. Now there's nothing on the store at this moment in time, but we can see the fonts that are being used, and obviously we want to make sure that we look at this font over here and see what we want to add and how we want to add it. Now this font itself needs to be changed, so what we need to do is just close the preview from here and head back to our store over here. Now once we head back to our store, you'll see an option on the bottom left hand side corner where it says add apps. Now once we click on add the apps, there's going to be different ads that are going to be available. Now there's two methodologies to actually add fonts. One is the manual method, and the manual method is a very long-ended method that requires a lot of editing and coding. So if you're not an individual that is familiar with the front-end back-end development, I would highly suggest for you to not to do that. Instead, I would rather you focus on Shopify App Store. Now in the App Store, you have a lot of options available for different ways that you can add different fonts. So all you need to do is search for fonts, and as you search for fonts, all the applications that are available for fonts will show up. You have the Fontify Google and custom apps. You have the Fontio Easy Font Changer. Now this is the one that I want to use because it looks really nice and I feel that we can do a lot of things with this. So if you scroll down, you'll see that you have an option of changing and using this. This is completely free to install, and obviously you can get so many elements with it. And we're just going to click on add the app, and once we add the app, we can actually check it out. We can also view it in demo store, but we're not going to do that because we have that trust level with Shopify where we know that this is one of those things that will literally enhance our Shopify store, and it will give us an opportunity to actually use the different fonts that are available. Now as you can see, you have the different fonts that are available. We can preview the fonts, we can edit the fonts, we can add anything we want in regards to the font. As you can clearly see, now we have the fonts that are available that we can use the different fonts on our store. Let's close this from here. And now once we close it, you'll see that we have already started to customize our themes. And if you click down over here, we will see that we have installed the app that's for Fontier. If you want to install more apps, you can easily do that. Just click on fonts and go back to the store over here, and you can select different fonts that are available as well. If you want to go for Fontify, just click on Fontify, and you can also view it in the demo store as well, just to have an extra look what extra features that you can get with this particular app. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the different apps that are available, the different fonts that are available, how you can install and enable the app, how you can choose your theme, how you can change the font. So there you have a complete breakdown of helping you using easily and installing the Fontify, and giving you a head start and a competitive advantage to ensure that you're always ahead of the game. They have a 3 minutes to start preview before you start. You can use any custom fonts. You have a live chat support. You can have free to use Google Fonts and local Google Fonts Premium as well, and you can apply it to different countries as well. It's very simple and straightforward to do. So we can, if you want to install it, all you need to do is click on add the app, and as you click on add the app, it will take you to the next page where it will ask you which Shopify store you want to add it to. And once we've selected that, just click on install the app. It literally takes a couple of seconds for it to install the app, and you will now have an option to select and change the different apps that are available. And as you can see, the apps is now available on the bottom left hand side corner, and obviously all you need to do is click on enable, and as we enable this, the app is going to be enabled. If you want to select the theme over here that we install, so once we select the theme, it's going to be right, and then we can easily create a new font by clicking on create a new font. And as we click on create a new font, we can see the different fonts that are available. We can upload it directly, or we can use the Google font that's going to be freely available. Just click on the actual font that you want to use, click on add. Once we click on it, we'll click what we want to do. We're going to do the all body tags over here. Then we're going to scroll down, see all the information over here. And once we've done it, we're just going to click on save. Now, as you can clearly see, now this font is now being enabled and our home has been working on the font over here. So this is done and dusted, and you can change any font that you want. You can change it any way that you want as well. If you got any questions whatsoever, guys, you can always ask me in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.